In this video, I'll show you how to make Spotify play over other apps. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Go to your Spotify, click on your profile, click on settings and privacy, click on playback. Now make sure this picture-in-picture is currently turned on or is currently enabled. So if it is enabled, you can be able to play it over other apps. But one thing is certain, you can't be able to play Spotify music if you're watching a video. But if you're like browsing maybe on your Facebook or your Instagram or your WhatsApp, Spotify music can be playing if you're using it, right? So, but if you're watching a video, you cannot be able to play music over other apps, that is over the video. So this is basically how you can be able to do this. So make sure your picture-in-picture is currently turned on for you to be able to do this. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the very next video.